Today we are doing a engine air filter on a Nissan Versa. This is going to be the same from 2019 to 2024. Let's jump into it. It's right here. We're going to come in here. We got a latch here, a latch here. Then there are two plugs over on this side. So you have to lift up just a little bit and pop those out. And you can see both those little hooks that go in there. Then we lift up just a little bit and pop this guy out. And there's our dirty engine air filter. When you go to throw the new one in, we just lift here. You don't have to go too high. You just need to sneak it in there. And the direction, this flange is the high side. That's a seal. And this sits down in there like that. So that goes in there like that. Then these hooks are just kind of funky because you're fighting this guy here. But once you kind of push down, get them into place. Then we got our clips over here. Boom, boom, and we're done. That's your engine air filter on a Nissan Versa 2024. But it works on any of the vehicles from this generation. I'll put a link in the description for this air filter, and we'll see you next time.